Good morning, students. So, children, how are you all? Are you all fine, beta? Yes. So let's study moral science. So, children, what we were doing, which lesson we were doing in moral science yesterday? We were doing the revision of lesson number 2, and that was honest Gia. So, what we have seen, we have seen that the value in this lesson is it is taught value taught in this lesson is about honesty. Okay, now this story is about two sisters whose name were Gia and Sia, and they used to love playing together, and they used to finish homework quickly so that they could get time to play. Now one day, what happened when they were playing with a small ball inside the house, their mother said, "Please play with toys or blocks. Something will fall down." But Sia and Gia, they continued to play. They didn't listen to their mother. Then they said, "We will be careful, mother." While playing, Gia she threw the ball with force, and on the other side, Sia couldn't catch it. The ball hit the cookie jar and it fell on the floor and broke. My God. Why all this happened, children? Because they didn't obey their mother. So, what we have to do, we should always obey our elders. Na, they will never tell you wrong. Okay, children? Do you all listen your parents at home? Yes or no? You must listen to them, okay? Okay, now let's continue from here. So, all of you take out with me page number 9. Okay, hearing the noise, mother rushed out from the kitchen. Now, when she heard the noise, the something has fallen down, she came running from the kitchen and she was very angry. She said, "I told you not to play with the ball, na? But none of you listen to me. Now, who has done it?" Now both Sia and Gia, they were scared. They got afraid. Oh my, Mama is so angry. They kept quiet. Mother asked again, "Is it you, Gia?" "No, mother, not me," said Gia. "Is it you, Sia?" "No, mother, not me," said Sia. So now what happened? Mother, she is very angry. You know na, when your mother also when she gets angry, she gives you nice scolding, she shouts, isn't it? And then you become quiet and no mama, it's not me. You say like this na, in the same manner. Both the sister Gia and Sia, they were saying no, it's now both of them. Now one was wrong. But now both of them they are refusing, they are not able to accept their mistake. So there was silence in the room for a while. So for some time there was a silence. Then mother said, "Since none of you is telling me the truth, so both of you will not get the dinner tonight." So now mother, she punished them and she said, "Nah, now because both of you are not accepting your mistake, nobody is telling the truth now. So now you will not get the dinner." She then rushed out of the room and then she went out of the room in anger. So, children, for today, this much is enough, and tomorrow again we'll continue the same chapter. Okay, children? But children, just go through this story again and again, because when you have exams, okay, questions can come from between also. No? You should know the story thorough. Understand? Okay, so tomorrow we all will meet. Be good, be obedient, don't make your parents angry. Okay, whatever they say, you just listen, you obey them. Okay, then be good. So, tomorrow we will meet. Till then, goodbye. Take care.